A stray cat carried its kittens, begging the man for help. Suddenly, a wolf charged in, frenziedly tearing at the tent. The man bravely rushed forward, scaring the hungry wolf away. When he turned back to check on the kittens, he realized they didn't survive. The mother cat, having lost her babies, cowered in the tent and cried alone. So he decided to take the cat home and adopt her, not caring that she might change his life. Under the man's care, the mother cat quickly recovered from her grief, and they grew closer. However, there was already a cat at home, and at first, they often fought. Over time, they learned to coexist peacefully. To everyone's surprise, they welcomed a new member, and the stray cat finally found her true home.